Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutan pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about sum of two cubes. Actually, sum and difference of two cubes ito, kaya lang mag-focus muna tayo sa sum of two cubes. Okay? So, meron tayong formula na gagamitin. Okay? On how to factor polynomials with sum of two cubes. So, this is a squared, or a cube, sorry, a cube plus b cube. Okay? The quantity is equal to the quantity of a plus b times the quantity of a squared minus ab plus b squared. Okay, so meron tayong steps. Number 1, or apat na step. Number 1 is take the cube root of the first two terms. So, kunin natin yung cube root ng first two terms. Okay, i-explain ko yan mamaya isa-isa. Then number 2, write the sum of the two cube or the two cube roots, okay, as the first factor. Cube roots yan, wala siyang s, sorry ha. Okay, third is for the second factor, get the trinomial factor by letter A, squaring the first term of the first factor. Letter B, subtracting the product of the first factor and the second terms of the first factor. And letter C, squaring the last term of the first factor. And number 4, last step is write the product of the first and second factors. Okay, so example tayo. Apply natin yung steps or yung apat na steps. So, example number 1, x cubed plus 64. Okay, yung step 1, you have to take the cube root of two terms. Okay, yung first term natin is x cubed, di ba? So, kunin natin yung cube root ng x cubed. So, that is equal to x. Then, yung isang term, cube root of 64, that is equal to 4. Kasi 4 times 4, 16 times 4, 64. Okay, so ito yung step 1. Ang step 2, write the sum of the two cube roots as the first factor. Okay, so yung kunin natin yung sum of two cube roots. So yung sum na yan, yung first natin na term is x, tapos plus 4. Ito yung sum ng first two cube roots. So ito yung first factor. Okay? So dapat meron yung second factor na trinomial mamaya. Ito yung sa step 3. Okay? So for the second factor, get the trinomial factor. So okay, meron yan tatlong term dyan. Okay, sa trinomial. Okay, una, letter A, squaring the first term of the first factor. Okay, yung first factor natin is x plus 4, di ba? Yung first term niya is x. Tapos, square daw. Ibig sabihin, or pwede mo i-apply ng x times x, that is equal to x squared. Okay? X times x equals x squared. Okay? I-rest nyo natin isa. Squaring the first term of the first factor. So, yun ang ibig sabihin. So, magiging x squared. Ito yung first term. Okay? Next tayo, letter B. Subtracting the product of the first and the second term of the first factor. So, first factor pa rin tayo, kaya lang, mayroong word na subtracting the product of the first and second term. So, first and second term, that is x times 4, di ba? Or 4 times x. So, dapat mauna yung numerical. Okay? So, product ng first and second factor, kaya lang mayroong subtracting. Therefore, minus 4 times x. So, equals negative 4x. Okay, so, letter C. May letter C pa yan. So, squaring the last term of the first factor. Okay, isulat muna natin yung first factor natin na x plus 4, di ba? So, yung first factor is x plus 4. Then, letter C, squaring the last term of the first factor. So, yung first factor natin is x plus 4. Yung last term daw is 4. Then, i-square natin. Square. Ibig sabihin, 4 times 4, that is equal to 16. Okay? Then, letter D, combining all the terms in step A, B, and C. So, yung A natin kanina ay, ano yung A? X squared. Ito. Pangalawa, ang B ito. So, x squared minus 4x. X squared minus 4x plus 16. Ito yung C. Okay? Combining all the terms in step A, B, and C. Okay, number 4, write the product of the first and second factor. So, yung first factor natin kanina, yung x plus 4 times, kasi product na, di ba? X squared minus 4x plus 16. Okay, so ito na yung final answer natin. So, therefore, okay, yung x cubed plus 64 is equal to x plus 4 times x squared minus 4x plus 16. Okay, klaro? Okay, next example tayo, number 2, or example number 2, 8a cubed plus 64. Okay, so hindi na natin sulat yung mga steps dyan. I-ano na lang natin. So, yung una natin gagawin dito, kunin natin yung cube roots ng dalawang terms. So, cube root ng 8a cube at saka ni 64. Ito yung unang gagawin. So, the cube root of 8a cube is equal to 2a. Bakit 2a? Kasi 2a times 2a, that is 4a squared. Times 2a, that is 8a cube. Cube yan, ha? Okay? Ito yung first term. Yung second term, the cube root of 64 is 4. Nasolve na natin ito kanina. 4 times 4, 16 times 4, 64. Okay? So, ang step 2, kunin natin yung sum. Okay? Sum ng dalawang cube roots. Si 2a plus 4. Okay, ito yung first factor natin. Hanapin natin yung pangalawang factor mamaya na trinomial. Okay, sa step 3 na tayo. Okay, ang step 3 natin, kunin natin yung trinomial. Okay, so letter A. Ang letter A natin is square the first term of the first factor. Okay, ito yung first factor. So, square natin yan. 2a, tapos squared. So, ibig sabihin, that is 4a squared. 2a times 2a is equal to 4a squared. So, letter A ito. So, letter B, or first term. Sa second term natin, subtracting the product of the first and second. Okay, so, first and second natin, 2a times 4. Okay, tapos subtracting. Ibig sabihin, this is negative 8a. Okay, then letter C, squaring the last term of the first factor. Ang last term natin sa first factor is 4. Square natin yan. 4 squared. That is equal to 4 times 4 is equal to 16. Then, i-combine natin yung A, B, and C. So, combine natin. 4a squared minus 8a plus 16. Okay? So, ito yung second factor. Then, sa step 4, sulat natin yung product ng first and second factor. Idiritso ko na lang, ha? So, yung first factor natin kanina ay 2a plus 4. Okay? So, therefore, 8a cubed plus 64 is equal to the quantity of 2a plus 4 times 4a squared minus 8a A plus 16. Okay, so this is your final answer. Okay, so maraming salamat sa panonood at pakikinig. And again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, paki-subscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay po, so maraming salamat and God bless.